Thank you for watching another episode of Inside Amazon, where I'm reporting to sellers all over the world what I learned by traveling to India and interviewing Amazon team members while they were on their smoking breaks. This information comes directly from Amazon's boots on the ground in Hyderabad, India. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the BRD. BRD, the Business Requirement Documents team working out of Hyderabad. And these are the people that are torturing sellers all over the world with business verifications. This gentleman that I spoke to had previously worked for Deloitte, another major company in Hyderabad, and switched over to Amazon. He told me that the 14 leadership principles are absolutely drilled into every single employee at Amazon, and that from switching from one company to another, he agreed with the principles and he sees the effect that the leadership principles have on both morale and the quality of work, and both in positive ways. So what he talked to me about in terms of business verifications are how to address the dreaded requirement of providing Amazon with a utility bill. The reason why Amazon is asking for utility bills in its verifications is because they're trying to have a uniform system around the world. Amazon has the mindset that sellers are all paying electric, water, or other utilities. That doesn't fit to sellers in the United States, who are often renting office space or warehouse space where utilities are paid by the landlords. And we talked about this at length. What we came to is that if you are an Amazon seller and Amazon is asking you for a utility bill, a document you can give in its place is a lease where utilities are addressed. You need to submit the entire lease, but you can also point out to Amazon staff the portion where utilities are addressed. This is just one tidbit of information that I was able to get by going to India, and I think it was worth the entire trip. Thank you for joining me for Inside Amazon. Please like this video, please share this video, and if you have not done so already, please click that subscribe button so that you get notified every single time we produce another video that is vital information for Amazon sellers.